Hello, Calwayne Health TV family. We hope you had a fantastic holiday season filled with joy, laughter, and of course, delicious food. Did the holiday feasting leave you feeling a little heavier? Maybe you indulged in one too many slices of pie or couldn't resist that extra serving of mashed potatoes. Don't worry, I've got you covered. It's completely normal to enjoy the festive treats, and now it's time to get back on track. Today we're going to tackle it together with a quick, effective 10-minute home workout that burns calories and gets you back on track. This routine is designed to be fun, engaging, and most importantly, efficient. No equipment needed, just your amazing energy and my voice guiding you every step of the way. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro, this workout is perfect for everyone. Are you ready to feel amazing? Let's dive in. We'll start with a quick warm-up to get our bodies moving and our blood pumping. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Calwayne Health TV for more health and wellness tips. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Also, check out the description box below for extra resources and product recommendations. We've got everything from healthy recipes to fitness gear that can help you on your journey. Now, let's get this workout started. We'll begin with some light cardio to warm up our muscles. Follow along and remember to keep breathing. Ready? Let's go. Start with jogging in place for 1 minute. This will help elevate your heart rate and prepare your body for the workout ahead. Keep those knees high and pump your arms. Next, we'll move on to some dynamic stretches. Arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists will help loosen up your muscles and increase your range of motion. Now let's get into the main workout. We'll start with squats to target those leg muscles. Remember to keep your back straight and go as low as you can. Do 15 reps. Follow that with lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Do 10 reps on each leg. Next up, mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and alternate, bringing your knees to your chest. This move is great for your core and cardio. Do this for 1 minute. Finally, let's finish strong with burpees. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, return to squat, and jump up. Do 10 reps. Great job, everyone. Now, let's cool down with some gentle stretches. This will help your muscles recover and prevent soreness. Don't forget to hydrate. You did amazing today. Remember, consistency is key. Keep up the great work, and you'll see results in no time. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, let's kick things off with a quick warm-up to get your blood flowing and your muscles prepped. Warming up is essential before any workout as it helps to increase your heart rate and circulation, which in turn loosens the joints and increases blood flow to the muscles. This can help reduce the risk of injury and improve your overall performance. We're going to start with marching in place for 30 seconds. This simple exercise is great for getting your heart rate up and warming up your leg muscles. Make sure to keep your back straight and engage your core as you lift your knees. Just like you're marching in a parade, lift those knees high. Great job. Imagine you're leading a parade with everyone cheering you on. Feel the energy and let it motivate you to keep those knees lifting high. This movement not only warms up your legs, but also engages your core and improves your balance. Now, let's get those arms moving with some arm circles. Forward for 15 seconds, making sure to keep your movements controlled and steady. This exercise helps to warm up your shoulder joints and upper body muscles, preparing them for more intense activities. Then backward for 15 seconds. Reverse the direction of your arm circles to ensure that all the muscles around your shoulders are equally warmed up. This helps to improve your shoulder mobility and flexibility. Big circular motions loosen up those shoulders. Feel the stretch and the warmth spreading through your upper body. This is a great way to release any tension you might be holding in your shoulders and upper back. This warm-up gets your heart rate up and muscles ready to work. It's important to gradually increase your heart rate to prepare your cardiovascular system for the workout ahead. This also helps to mentally prepare you for the exercise session, getting you into the right mindset. Keep moving and let's get energized. Remember, the goal of a warm-up is to prepare your body and mind for the workout. So stay focused, keep your movements controlled, and enjoy the process. You're doing great, and this is just the beginning of an amazing workout session. Get ready to jumpstart your metabolism with some classic jumping jacks. Remember, it's all about explosiveness and getting your heart pumping. We're going for 1 minute of high-energy jumping jacks. Let's go. Keep your core engaged and land softly on your feet. You're doing amazing. Jumping jacks are a full-body cardio exercise that gets your heart pumping fast. Keep Keep going. You've got this. Now let's sculpt those legs and glutes with some powerful squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Imagine you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Remember to keep your chest up and knees behind your toes. Feel the burn in your thighs and glutes. Remember to keep your chest up and knees behind your toes. Time to get that heart rate soaring again with high knees. Bring those knees up as high as you can, like you're trying to touch your chest. Let's pick up the pace and really feel the burn. Push yourself here. The higher your knees, the better the burn. Imagine reaching for the sky with your knees. Now it's time to work those upper body muscles with some push-ups. If you're new to push-ups, feel free to modify by doing them on your knees. Remember, quality over quantity, so focus on maintaining good form. Keep your core engaged, back straight, and lower your chest towards the floor. You've got this. Work those arms, chest, and core. Remember, quality over quantity. Keep your form clean. Get ready to engage that core and torch some serious calories with mountain climbers. Start in a plank position, keeping your body in a straight line. Now alternate, bringing your knees towards your chest like you're running up a mountain. Keep your core tight and your back flat. You're doing amazing. Mountain climbers are great for engaging your core and torching calories. Keep moving and feel the energy. We're in the final stretch. Let's finish strong with a plank hold. This is all about core strength and endurance. Hold that plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and remember to breathe. You're almost there. Stay strong here. Engage your core and focus on steady breathing. You're almost there. Great job, everyone. You've just completed an intense workout, and now it's time to give your body the care it deserves. Now let's cool down and stretch. Cooling down is essential to help your muscles recover and to prevent any stiffness or soreness later on. Let's start with a forward fold, reaching for your toes. This stretch is excellent for releasing tension in your lower back and hamstrings. Hold that for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings. Remember to breathe deeply, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Now let's do a side stretch. This will help to elongate the muscles along your sides and improve your overall flexibility. Reach your right arm overhead and gently lean to the left, feeling the stretch along your side. This stretch is great for opening up your rib cage and improving your posture. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. That's it. Make sure to keep your movements slow and controlled to avoid any strain. Just 10 minutes and you've taken a big step towards burning off those holiday calories. Cooling down and stretching not only helps in muscle recovery, but also enhances your overall workout performance. Try this workout daily or mix it up with other exercises on Calwayne Health TV. We have a variety of routines to keep you motivated and engaged. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling after today's session. Your feedback is valuable and helps us create better content for you. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and workouts. Sharing our videos helps us reach more people and build a supportive fitness community. See you next time, and don't forget to check the description box below for more information and product recommendations. Stay healthy and active. We've got plenty of resources to help you on your fitness journey, from nutrition tips to advanced workout plans. Don't forget to hydrate after your workout. Drinking water is crucial for replenishing the fluids lost during exercise and helps in muscle recovery. You might also want to use a foam roller to massage your muscles. It's a great way to relieve any tightness and improve blood circulation. Consider keeping a fitness journal to track your progress. Writing down your workouts, how you feel, and any improvements can be incredibly motivating. Setting goals is another excellent way to stay on track. Whether it's increasing your flexibility, building strength, or just staying consistent, having clear goals can guide your fitness journey. Finally, take a moment to practice mindfulness. A few minutes of meditation can help you relax and center your mind after a workout, enhancing your overall well-being. You've done an amazing job today. Remember, every step you take towards your fitness goals is a victory. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the next session.